During the wintertime, the grass is not very good quality. It's brown and there's not much of it around. So it's important for owners to provide hay for their horses on a regular basis during the winter. That hay is very nutritious and provides calories, but it's also going to produce heat when the horse digests it, because it also helps to keep the horse warm. Water is always important for horses. Without water, they can get impactions in their intestines, but in the winter it's extra important because water can freeze. So it's important to have the ability to keep the buckets unfrozen, either with a tank heater or heated water buckets, or at least crack the ice out of those buckets every day. So horses that are just outside all the time, as long as they have some sort of shelter to provide for them, that will be helpful to keep them warm, have a windbreak for them, either a shed or even just a tree line to provide some shelter for them. Horses that have been clipped, it's important to keep them blanketed, but if you do have a blanket on a horse, you need to check under that blanket on a regular basis to make sure they're not wet and to make sure they're not getting any kind of skin problems or anything like that under their blanket. Yeah, it's really good to continue an exercise program through the winter. We want to keep horses in shape and continue your exercise programs, but if they do get sweaty, it's important to dry them out regularly after the exercise so that they don't remain wet when they go back outside into the cold. You can either take the time to dry them out or body clip them in the areas that they normally sweat and then provide them with a blanket afterwards.